VEVOR Press Tool. Honest review. Brushless crimping proof without the premium price.
What if you could walk onto any plumbing job, crimp copper pipe from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, and leave with 0 leaks and no soldering torch in sight? That is not a fantasy. That is exactly what modern electric crimping tools deliver. And here is the reality. Most tradespeople are still soldering joints manually, burning extra hours on every single project. If you are spending more time managing connections than actually pushing the job forward, this video is worth your full attention right now.
Think about a typical day on a multi-unit plumbing job. You are crawling through tight mechanical rooms, sweating pipes in awkward positions, waiting for every joint to cool before you can pressure test. Each solder connection takes setup time, torch time, cooling time, and inspection time. Multiply that across 50 or 100 joints on a single project, and you start to feel the weight of every wasted minute pulling at your schedule. The frustration goes beyond physical strain. It is the constant pressure of watching timelines shrink while material costs stay the same. One bad joint leads to a callback. One callback means lost time, lost trust, and a difficult conversation. Manual crimping tools help, but they demand serious hand strength, especially on connections larger than 1 inch. By mid-afternoon, your grip is gone. And there is always that background concern about torch safety near insulation, timber framing, and closed wall cavities. Every experienced plumber carries at least one close call.
Then everything changed when I started working with the VEVOR press tool. Don't just pick any electric pipe crimping tool. Make sure it has a brushless motor with at least 32 kilonewtons of output force, so you never deal with weak crimps, failed connections, or mid-job battery issues again. The VEVOR press tool runs on an 18-volt brushless motor, delivering exactly that, 32 kilonewtons of consistent, stable crimping force across all 6 included VUS jaw sizes, from 1/2 inch right up to 2 inches. Each crimp cycle completes in just 3 to 6 seconds. The head rotates 350 degrees, making tight spaces under sinks and inside crowded valve boxes far less restrictive. 2 4-amp-hour batteries come in the kit, and users consistently report up to 350 crimps per full charge, enough for a full day on most residential or light commercial jobs without needing the second battery. The OLED display shows battery level and operating status in real time, so you always know exactly where you stand. Bluetooth connectivity lets you check cycle counts directly from your smartphone. What would you do with that level of real-time clarity on a busy job site?
The real-world feedback on the VEVOR press tool is remarkably consistent across professional trades. A small plumbing business owner stated he could buy this tool 5 times over before reaching the cost of a single Milwaukee or rigid ProPress gun. An irrigation contractor running multiple service trucks confirmed 3 months of uninterrupted daily use with 0 issues, noting the batteries consistently outlasted competitor tools under the same job conditions. A licensed plumber with 2 decades of ProPress experience compared it directly to premium brands and called it a genuine performance match, adding that the value case is clear for anyone entering the ProPress system. One HVAC professional described converting his father, a lifelong soldering traditionalist, into a full ProPress user after just 1 job with this tool. Crimps hold reliably on Viega, Apollo, and Nibco fittings when installed correctly. Results may vary depending on installation technique and fitting brand compatibility.
The transformation here is simple and immediate. You replace the torch with one cordless tool, and every copper connection becomes faster, cleaner, and far more predictable from the first crimp to the last. Thousands of plumbers and contractors are already using the VEVOR press tool across residential builds, commercial installs, and fully equipped service trucks every single day. If you are ready to see whether it fits your actual workflow, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Just click and see for yourself. Your next job site will feel noticeably different.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.